रंग रंगुनिया रंगी रंगला भंग पांडुरंग रंगातुनी रंग रंगुनिया रंगी रंगला भंग तूच माझी माऊली ग भक्ताची सावली तूच माझी माऊली तूच माझी माऊली ग भक्ताची सावली पावला पाऊली छंद लागला रे तुझा पांडुरंग रंगातुनी रंग रंगुनिया रंगी रंगला भंग पांडुरंग रंगातुनी रंग रंगुनिया रंगी रंगला भंग पांडुरंग रंगातुनी रंग रंगुनिया रंगी रंगला भंग पांडुरंग रंगातुनी रंग रंगुनिया रंगी रंगला भंग
श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः हरि ओम श्री रुक्मिणी सत्यभामा समेत श्री पांडुरंग वेंकटेश्वर स्वामी temple is situated in Kote of Hoskote, Bengaluru rural district. It is a very ancient historic place. Earlier this happens to be the fort constructed by Sri Tammegoda Nadaprabhu Tammegowda ji in the year 1494, and in the later years due to the external forces the fort which was constructed by Tammegoda, it got destructed due to the natural forces, and from 1638 to 1689 Hoskote was ruled by Marathas. Shivaji Maharaj and his half brother Venkoji Maharaj, they were taking care of the Hoskote Paragana, and Hoskote Paragana was ruled by Raghunath Bhavoji, who was the Subedar, and also later on he became the one of the Ashtapradhans in Venkoji Maharaj in Shahaji Maharaj period. So what you are seeing is Rukmini Satyabhama Sameta Shri Panduranga Tileshwara Swami. So it is a trinity, it is a junction of trinity. Icha Shakti, Jnana Shakti, Kriya Shakti. Rukmini Tai represents Icha Shakti. Satyabhama Tai represents Kriya Shakti, and Vitaleshwara Swami represents Jnana Shakti. He gives the knowledge to have the work done. So it is a very historic and ancient place. Today on Ashada Ekadasi day, morning Shatarudra-abhisheka Seva was offered at the Holy Lotus feet of Sri Vitaleshwara Swami. Yesterday Mahasadarshana Homa was happened, and today evening there is Kalyanotsava of Rukmini Satyabhama Sameta Shri Panduranga Vitaleshwara Swami. Tomorrow there is a procession which take place in the main parts of all Hoskote, and followed by marriage lunch.
Thank you very much, sir. Your name, sir?
I am Dr. Sukesh Hoskote. I am the 10th generation continuous lineage of this Archaka, hereditary Archaka.
Okay.
And you can see Sambhaji Maharaj there. He is Sambhaji Maharaj, son of Shivaji Maharaj. Seeing the inscription of Yoga Devi, followed by Sambhaji Maharaj. Sambhaji Maharaj is fighting the tiger.
Yes.
This also represents the victory of good over evil.
Yeah.
This temple was consecrated in 1681. In 1681, Sambhaji Maharaj was the Chhatrapati. He was the second Chhatrapati.
Yeah.
Earlier, Raghunath Bhavoji, who was the Subedar of Hoskote Pargana during Shivaji Maharaj, he becomes the Amatya, one of the Ashtapradhans in Chhatrapati Sambhaji Raje period. And this temple was consecrated in 1681, Vaishakha Shuddha Tritiya. And unfortunately, in 1683, Raghunath Bhavoji expires, and in 1689 Sambhaji Maharaj expires, and there it ends the Maratha rule in Hoskote. So Maratha ruled Hoskote for a period of 51 years, 1638 to 1689. It is well documented. They have given all the scripts which is in Valabodh Lipi. It has been even mentioned in by B.L. Rice, the great historian of Karnataka. It is mentioned as EC 166, 165 and 167 pertains to Sri Vitaleshwar Swami Temple, Hoskote.
Very good. Thank you very much, sir.
This temple was consecrated in the year 1681, Vaishakha Shukla Tritiya, by under the supervision of Udgal Bhatt and under the leadership of Sambhaji Maharaj. So since then we are the continuous and the 10th generation in the lineage to do the seva at the Vitaleshwar Swami temple. So first Archaka happened to be Udgal Bhatt, his son is Ram Bhatt, his son is Shesh Bhatt, his son is Govind Bhatt, Govind Bhatt son is Subrao, Vitaleshwar Subrao. He was given the title as Vitaleshwar Subrao by Mysore Maharaj. After that, Vitaleshwar Subrao's son is Ashwath Rao, Ashwath Rao's son is Ram Rao, Ram Rao's son is Ashwath Narayana, Ashwath Narayana's son is Sukesha.
Okay. And basically, from where Mudgal Bhatt family came from?
We were deputed to take care of the temple and temple services from, we were migrated from, we were sent from Pune, place called Alamdi, particular place near Pune, Alamdi. So our ancestors were from Alamdi.
Okay. Thank you very much, sir. It's pleasure to meet you all today. Thank you.
This is my family.
Yeah. Thank you very much.
ವಿಠಲೇಶ್ವರ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಸಂಪೂರ್ಣ ಅನುಗ್ರಹ ಸಿದ್ಧಿರಸ್ತು.